Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix zero views on TikTok Reddit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first reason may be because your account is new and sometimes a video takes 24 hours to get the views. The next reason might be your video quality. Video quality matters the most, so your video quality being low might be the reason which cause your views to get zero views. And the next reason might be that you are posting from a banned device, which might cause your video to not get proper views as it is posted from a banned device. So some of the solutions to fix your issues are: do not delete your videos. If your videos have violated any community guidelines, then delete the video. If not, then I recommend not to delete your video, because getting views might take 24 hours or more than 24 hours. The second thing is re-upload the video. Re-upload the video a couple of times. Doing this will likely increase the views on your video. Sometimes the algorithm of the TikTok might be causing issues, so re-uploading the video a couple of times will do the trick. Now the next is servers and updates. Check to see if the TikTok servers are running properly or not. Sometimes the server being down might be the reason that your videos are not getting proper views or zero views. So just simply wait it out. After the server is running properly, simply upload the video once again and check to see if your TikTok app is up to date or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that your videos are not getting views. So that's basically how to fix zero views on TikTok Reddit. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.